Hi, this is 9th of June, and we at Capital Pi Advisors are trying to understand what markets are going to behave and how they are going to move from here. And obviously, our main analysis focuses on Nifty. This is first of the 5-part series, which every day we will release a video explaining the short term, the medium term, and the long term analysis on Nifty, which moves from 10 years, that means UPA 1 and UPA 2 regimes, till last week what Nifty has done. So this is the first part, and the title of this particular analysis is the short and long of Nifty. So as we see that this is a data sheet that we actually prepared, in which there is a information in a condensed form about everything. And when we see here is that on 29th May, when the Nifty May series actually expired and the June series started, the OI was somewhere around 1.5 crores and change. On the next day, that means on the Friday of the previous week, it actually improved to 1.6, and there was an addition of somewhere around 13 lakh open interest, which was somewhere around 8.47%, which is very obvious because it was just the start of the series. Then came Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and that is where you see that the OI kept on decreasing. First of all, it was 1.8 lakhs, then it was 6.5 lakhs, then it was somewhere around 7.3 lakhs, and on Thursday it went to 10 lakhs, which was around 7%. So we can say that from 2nd of June to 6th of June, all the 5 days, the OI in Nifty was decreasing, a newly formed series in which OI is decreasing, and the prices actually scaled a new high. When you see the lows were better than the lows. These were higher lows, and the closing price was also good, 7233, then it was 7370, 7421, 7416. This was a minor aberration here, 7486 and 7590. I am not taking on 9th of June, which is today, and obviously Nifty moved 79 points up, so we'll analyze it later. So what we are finding here is that just the series was started and somebody actually liquidated their shorts or covered their shorts and moved out from this particular situation. Now we see something very important here. This is a chart, and this chart shows that from here, this was the start of the series. Actually, particular this day, it was okay, this was 30th, and this was the start of the series where the short covering started. So you can see that the short covering was there and the prices were moving up. Another very important point what we see here is that Nifty, this was 16th of May when the counting began and the mandate was given to the BJP in an overwhelming manner, and this was 26th of May when market actually turned intraday and became very bearish, which was a swearing in ceremony day. So if Nifty has to scale high, these two resistances were important, and this resistance existed at 7530 and this existed at 7630, and what I am talking about is Nifty 1 month future. And what you can see here is that this opened on Friday, and there was a gap at 7514 and 759490. So we can rationalize it at around 7510 and 7500. And this was a gap on Monday, that means today, which was around 7625 and 7600. So 2 days, on Thursday and Friday, market closed at the highest point, and 2 days, that means on Friday and Monday, market opened gap up. So this means that on the same side the shorts were skewed and there was a rush to buy. So what this analysis tells you, that obviously these two gaps are one of the major support, and in a layman term we can say that 7500, 7600 is really going to be a very tough and a credible support, and from here Nifty either can meander here at these points or can move up and can come down and then find support at these levels. So this is a basic ballpark analysis that we are doing, and probably we will stick to a stop loss of around 7600, 7500 to all the trading positions that we are trying to keep for another 3 months, 2 months or so, with a particular target of around 8200. And in the next part we will try to show you that how 8200 has been reached. Thanks for being with us.